Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel for another video. So today we're diving into something real, something raw, no fluff, no sugarcoating, just the harsh truths every beginner photographer needs to hear. If you just picked up your camera and are ready to make magic, this one's for you. But first, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. It's time to get real and we'll get into it. So you just spent a small fortune on that brand new camera, huh? So let me hit you with this. It doesn't matter. That's right, I said it. Your gear doesn't make you a photographer. You do. I've seen jaw-dropping photos taken with a smartphone and terrible ones with a $5,000 setup. What matters is how you see the world, how you capture it, and how you tell your story. Take Instagram for instance. It makes it look easy, doesn't it? A couple of clicks, a filter, and boom, you've got a masterpiece. Well, not even close. The truth is, photography is work, but not just work, it's hard work. It's getting up before dawn to catch that perfect light. It's trekking through mud, snow, and rain just to attempt to get a shot. And it's a lot of failing. You're gonna take a ton of bad photos before you get to the good ones. That's part of the process. Every shot you take, good or bad, it teaches you something, and that's how you grow. When you're starting out, it's easy to fall into the trap of copying what you see from others. And that's perfectly okay at first. But eventually, you've got to find your own voice, your own style. And that takes time, a lot of time. Hey, I just want to jump in here for a second. I want to thank each and every one of you for all the love, the subs, the likes, comments, and for just checking out the videos. So this channel is on the verge of full monetization, so I need everybody's help. So if you haven't subscribed, please do, it'd be greatly appreciated. We're less than 100 subscribers away and about 500 hours watch time from full monetization. So if everyone watching this video could please just leave a like on the video to help us out with the algorithm so that we can be seen by more people. And subscribe if you haven't done so already. Once we get to 1,000 subs, whether we reach the 4,000 hours or not, I'm gonna put together a giveaway for subscribers. And depending on how that goes, it may become a regular thing. Anyway, thank you all again. Let's get back to the video. Then there's the criticism part of it. Criticism is gonna happen and it's gonna sting. You're gonna share your work, and while others will try to lift you up and build your confidence and commend you, someone's also gonna tear it apart. But here's the thing, that's how you get better. So learn to take criticism constructively. Separate your ego from your work. It's not personal, it's progress. The more that you can listen, adapt, and improve, the better you'll be. So after all that, let's address the elephant in the room, money. There's this romanticized idea that you can pick up a camera, start snapping away, and boom, you're rolling in cash. But here's the truth. Photography is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It never has been, and it never will be. Yeah, some photographers make good money, but it's the result of years, sometimes decades of hard work, building a reputation and honing their craft. You're not gonna become a millionaire overnight just because you have a nice camera and a good eye. Let me tell you, if you're in this for the money, you're gonna be disappointed. The real reward in photography isn't financial. It's the joy of capturing moments, the satisfaction of creating something beautiful, and the fulfillment that comes with doing what you love. Personally for me, it's a form of therapy. It allows me to focus on seeing the world differently and not focusing on everyday struggles. I'm not saying you can't make a living with photography, because you can, but it's a grind and it takes time. If you're in it for the long haul and you're willing to put in the work, the rewards will come. But remember, it's about the passion first and the paycheck second. So there it is, the hard truth. Photography is an amazing, rewarding journey, but it's not an easy one. It's not gonna make you rich, especially overnight, and it's not gonna be a smooth ride. But if you're here for the right reasons, if you're passionate about capturing the world through your lens, well, then you're in for an adventure that's worth every single moment. So that's it for today. I hope this gave you a bit of a reality check, but also a dose of inspiration. Remember, it's a journey and we're all in it together. So let me know down in the comments, what drives you to pick your camera up every day? I look forward to continuing this conversation. Remember, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell for future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com for photo prints, as well as my Lightroom preset pack. And until next time, get out and shoot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.